Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to post photos on Threads. So you will have to just open the Threads on the Android device. So make sure when it's open, so what you have to gonna do, you will just have to click to the plus button or the center of below menu. Will have to just click to the plus button, and there is the our options to put the photos. You have to click to the gallery. You can see you will have to just click on the gallery button, where you can select the pictures. You can allow the access of camera. So I will just put my picture over there. So you will see I will select it, a one photo of mine, and I will have to just click to post. So it will be post on Threads. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.